Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. This is a Leslie 122 amplifier that I have rebuilt. I'll just show you some of the features. Look at the new 12AU7 sockets that I've installed. A new power transformer. Man, this amp kicks now. The owner of this, the client rather, sent it to me with a new filter can already installed, so I didn't have to worry about that. But this was falling off, so I put that back on, and this label was hanging off, so I put the label back on and covered it with glued it on and covered it with tapes. Then, of course, as you can see here, I freshly rebuilt this amplifier. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. This is a Hammond Doc rebuild. When I received this amplifier, it had some components in it that should not have been in there. Had loose wires. The relay was a strange looking item. But now this amp is in 100% working condition. It's a beautiful amplifier and it sounds beautiful. I posted a couple of videos here on YouTube with my playing this amplifier, and it's ready to be returned to the client. Alright, this is Dr. Kemp, the Hammond Doc. Ready to go on to the next project here at Vintage B3 Organ Incorporated. If you want your Leslie amplifier or your AO28 preamp from your organ refreshed, you need that power, you need that quality sound to come back, drop me a line, contact me, and we'll hook you up. Dr. Kemp, peace out.